In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in CapCut. We'll walk through how to apply as a creator so your templates can appear in the CapCut gallery. And I'll also show you a practical workaround to build reusable templates for personal use while you're waiting for approval. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. If you're not already signed in, log into your CapCut account so your progress and projects are saved across devices. On the home screen, tap Me at the bottom. This is where your profile options live. From here, select Apply to be a creator. You'll see a creator application form. Scroll through and complete all the required fields carefully. This is your chance to showcase your experience, so upload videos that demonstrate your editing skills. Strong examples help the review team understand the kind of templates you can contribute. You can also link your social media accounts to highlight your work and reach. When everything looks good, tap Submit to send your application. Now it's time to wait for CapCut's team to review your application. The review time can vary, but you'll get a notification letting you know if you're accepted. While you wait, keep your best edits handy so you're ready to go as soon as you're approved. After you're approved as a CapCut creator, creating a public template is straightforward. Edit a video in CapCut just like you normally would, using the effects, transitions, overlays, and timing that define your style. When you're happy with it, export the video. After export, tap Post as Template. This publishes your edit to the CapCut template gallery so other users can apply your structure with their own media. Clear, organized edits make the best templates, so think about how easily someone else can swap in their clips. If you want a template-like workflow for personal use while you're waiting for approval, here's a reliable approach. Edit a video project with the effects, overlays, and edits you want to reuse. Set it up exactly how you'd want your template to behave. When the structure is in place, exit the project and go to your projects list. Tap the three dots next to the project and select Duplicate. Open the duplicated project and replace the original clips with new videos from your camera roll. All your timing, effects, and overlays will stay intact. You can use this duplicated project as a reusable template anytime you need, simply swapping the media and keeping the edit consistent.